I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connection because intermittent pauses often start there. Make sure both Airpods and the case have charge. Low battery causes quick pauses. Then open your device's Bluetooth screen, turn Bluetooth off and on, and if pauses persist, forget the Airpods and repair them to clear profile issues. Also look inside the earbuds for debris around proximity sensors. Once cleaned, test playback immediately so you know whether the basic connection and sensors fixed it. Once basic pairing is stable, move into settings that commonly cause interruptions. Turn off automatic ear detection and play audio to see if pausing stops. This isolates faulty sensors. Next, update both your device OS and the AirPods firmware because software mismatches create dropouts. If issues remain, reset the host device's Bluetooth cache or network settings to clear corrupted profiles. After each change, retest with different apps to confirm whether the problem was configuration, firmware, or the host device itself. To finish, perform a factory reset on the AirPods. Hold the case button until the light flashes amber then white, then repair. Next, test with a second device to determine if pauses are from the AirPods or the original host. Consistent pausing across devices indicates hardware. If problems persist after reset and cross-device tests, contact Apple support or an authorized service for diagnostics or replacement. One troubleshooting tip: keep logs of when pauses occur, app distance, battery level to speed up support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.